Hey, welcome to episode 43 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about what you guys need to do if the credit bureaus do not delete or remove that account, or even correct the account that you want them to correct. So, the first thing that I would suggest for you all is to send a follow-up letter to the creditor or the collector and ask them how are they verifying this account. Now, usually you guys will send letters directly to the credit bureaus, but you may want to just send a letter directly to the creditor, and I have those right on my website, Rickita.com, so you guys can have that follow-up letter to send directly to the creditor and the collector. Now, sometimes when you send a follow-up letter, they don't want to play with you. They like, let me just handle my business. So you can get a removal letter from them. They'll say, hey, we don't have a verification. We're going to delete this from your account. A lot of times, if you send a special letter, usually like the collection letter that I send, a lot of collectors will send that letter to you saying, hey, we can't verify this account. Here is, we'll have the account deleted in 30 days. And then won't say, here is a letter, but that letter is what you actually send to the credit bureaus to say, hey, they agreed to remove it, so remove it. Now, if they don't want to delete it and you're sending out letters, call them. I always tell people, call the credit bureaus because you may find that they'll just delete it from you just calling them. So please call them and ask them, how are you guys verifying this account? Why are you guys not deleting this? When is the last time you guys processed my dispute? I usually tell people to call too. Like after you send out a letter, call to verify that they have it. Even if you send it certified, verify that they actually disputed it. So you can wait like a week to see if they have it and they're disputed after you send out your letter, because sometimes you'll find that they're not even working on it, or they'll get your certified letter, but they're not even processing it. So please call them and ask them what's going on. Why are you guys not deleting it? And if you're talking to someone and they're saying, well, I can just put in another dispute, or, giving you some bull crap language or anything about it, they don't want to do what you want them to do, please ask to talk to a supervisor, because that's what I would do. I would ask to talk to a supervisor and ask the supervisor, hey, this needs to be deleted today. I called that, say if you're talking to TransUnion, I called Equifax and Experian. I don't even have this problem. I just want to verify this account is on there and they already deleted it. Why are you not deleting this from my credit reports, TransUnion? So just call them, because sometimes you guys can call them and get things done a lot faster. So I always tell people, just call the credit bureaus, because sometimes you just call them, they'll just do it right there over the phone. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys exactly how to send complaints out to the CFPB to actually get those accounts removed. And that's going to be episode 44. So I'll meet you guys there. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions.